Very good evening to all the participants. I hope all the participants able to hear me. All the participants able to hear me? I think I muted the session. Sorry for that. I think the session got muted because I was just trying to talk for the last 5 minutes. Participants not able to hear me for last 5 minutes? Okay, so what I was trying to say is, so only we started the session today. And in today's session, what I would like to show to the participants, whatever the sessions that are related to calculation view, having different exercises in the Dropbox, I would like to consolidate all these exercises into one session so that you can look in this one session to get the complete picture of the calculation view. Now, if I go to the Dropbox, the participants able to hear me now? So is this okay right now? Participants go to the Dropbox. Now, if you go to the common materials, go to set one materials, go to set one assignments, go to data modeling, go to calculation views. Now here you see for a calculation view, you have exercises that is implementing a calculation views for dimension customer, implementing a dimension company code, dimension material, calculation views of type time, calculation views data category cube, calculation views data category star join. So what I would like to show is I would like to create all these 8 exercises in one session, so that in a way it is a recap for the participants, and also they can use this session for future reference. Okay, participants, can we proceed for this? Yeah, so what we'll do is, so quickly, I'll only complete on the hands-on. Completely will focus on the hands-on. So let us log into RDP. So let us click connect. So I'm just connecting to the remote desktop. So let us log into the HANA Studio. So once we log into the HANA Studio, so let us expand. So let me expand the let us right click on the content, click new, click on the package, and let us give a name for the package. S4HANA CV. Click OK. I'll expand the content. Let us go to the package S4HANA CV. Let us right click on the package, click new, click on the calculation view. Let us give a name for the calculation view. So what I'll do is I'll take it as CV underscore customer. Let us give the label, nothing but the description. So let me select it as a dimension. So why dimension? Dimension nothing but master data. Click finish. And once I click finish, click on join. Click on join on the work area. Click on the plus icon. Enter the table KNA1 from best schema, from a schema called best. Click OK. Click on the plus icon again, T005T from the best schema, and click OK. So I've taken a join. This is nothing but a simple join. And quickly, I'll join both these tables, land 1 to land 1. So once we join both these tables, I'll use this join as a text join. So basically what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to work on all the scenarios in the assignments so that I can put it in one session. So in the join, I just taken two tables. I've taken it as a text join. So what is the purpose of taking a text join? Nothing but descriptions based on user session. So let me select customer, country, name of the customer, region of the customer, and country text. So now what I'm trying to do, I've taken two tables inside the join. So I've taken one table called KNA1 and the other table called T005T. I join both these tables and I provide the join type as text join. Text join is a join that produces descriptions based on user session. Now I link this join to the projection. It's very simple. Click on the projection, right click on the join, add all to output. All the columns will get selected in the output. Click on the semantics, at least one key, click validate, and click save and activate. Now if I open this, so here you have the first assignment, CV customer. Now let me again right click on the package, click new, click on the calculation view. So basically why I selected KUNNR as a key, because the subject is the customer. Because my subject is customer, I have taken KUNNR as a key. Now let me take CV underscore company code. Let us provide the description. Data category, let me select as dimension. So now what I'm trying to do, we're working on the company code. Click finish. Again, let us click on join. Click on join on the work area. Click on the plus icon. Enter the table T001 from best schema. Click OK. Again, click on the plus icon. Enter the table TCURT from the best schema and click OK. So once we add both these tables into one join, now what is my requirement over here? Here you see this is called as currency key. Now this currency key, I'm going to link to this currency key. So I'll select company code text, currency, and currency text. And I'm going to select the join and mark it as text join, SPRES. And now let us link this join to the projection. Click on the projection. Again, same procedure. Right click on the join, add all to output. Click on the semantics, at least one key attribute. Why BUKRS as a key attribute? Because of the company code. Click validate and click save and activate. Okay, so here the second assignment, company code. Let us right click on the package again, click new, click on the calculation view, CV underscore time. This is nothing but time-based attribute view. Hello, all the participants, is it everything is okay? Because I got a message, participants not able to hear me. Okay, thank you. So let me select the subtype as time. Let us select the calendar type Gregorian, granularity as date. Click finish. Now by default, system propose a table from underscore sys underscore bi schema, the table name m underscore time underscore dimension. Automatically system can propose for time, because we don't have to, because see, for other attributes I've done, for other attributes we have joined the tables, but for time we don't have to do it. System can automatically propose. All that we have to do is, once you click finish, click validate, and click save and activate. Now here you have time. Now let me right click on the package again, click new, click on calculation view. For one last time, for dimension, I'll take it CV underscore material, give the label as material, take the dimension, click finish. Once you click finish, click on join on the work area. Please, I'm doing the same thing again and again. So like this, you will work on more than 200 to 300 master data. So all that we need to do is identify the requirement, identify tables, creating the same things again and again to fulfill the requirement. So join tables, MATNR to MATNR. So just I'm trying to show you how we can do these assignments. So MATNR to MATNR, material ID to material ID. So here you have material ID, and here you have material text, and here you have the join. I'm taking as text join, language column SPRS. So participants can use this video as a reference when you do it on the assignments. So link the output of the join to the projection. So here I have two columns in the output. Right click, add all to output. So here you see it's in the output. Click on semantics, at least one key, validate, activate. Assignment number 4. Now what I'm going to do now, so here I created dimensions. What is the next thing? Creating a star join. How are you going to create a star join? Let us right click on the package again, click new, click on calculation view, give the name CV underscore profitability analysis for actual underscore plan, give the label, excuse me, give the label nothing but the description, give the label nothing but the description, and select the data category cube with star join. Excuse me. So why am I selecting cube with star join? I'm selecting cube with star join because whenever you have a requirement to select measures from more than one transaction table, then we can go for a star join. Now suppose say you have actual gross in one table and plan gross in another table. Now you would like to select both these measures in the output. Go for a star join. So when to go for a star join? When you have measures you would like to request from multiple transaction tables, and click finish. Whenever you take it as a star join, You see the default node? The default node is nothing but star join. Now please see, when you take it as a dimension, what is the default node? Projection. What is the difference between a projection and a star join? Projection is nothing but selection of columns. Projection is nothing but the selection of columns. And what is star join? Star join is a join that can create a star schema. What is a schema? A schema is a collection of tables represented in a form of star. Schema is a collection of tables represented in a form of star. In a star, the dimensions are the master data objects. The dimensions are the master data objects. So what I'm going to do, now these are nothing but dimensions, so I'll just drag and drop. Just drag and drop everything into the star join. So once you drag and drop everything into the star join, click on the projection, click on the projection on the work area, click on the projection, click on the projection on the work area. What is the use of projection? Selection of columns. What columns? Click on the plus icon, enter the table C1 IDA from the best schema. Click OK. So here I have the projection 1. Let us right click on this, click rename, give the name as actual, click OK. Click on the plus icon on the projection 2, search for CE2 IDA from best schema, click OK. Right click on the projection 2, click rename and give it as plan and click OK. So what am I trying to do? I've taken two projections. Why I've taken two projections? Because I have two transaction tables. At any projection, we can only take one table. In any projection, we can only take one table. So I've taken one table inside the projection. Now I'll open this, click find. What you would like to find? A column that is related to company code, column for customer, column for material, column for time. In order to link this master data, I'm going to find the columns I can link to the center table. So what is the column to link for company code? You see, there's a column called company code ID, BUKRS. Select this. It's available in the output. Customer, this one, KNDNR. Material, ARTNR. Material, ARTNR, you can link to this. Date, we can link to this hedged dat. Measures, VB010. Sorry. This is the plan one. So here you have plan. So this is nothing but it is plan gross revenue. And this is nothing but plan sales deductions. So I'll click on this plan gross revenue, and here I'll click on plan sales deductions. So these columns I'm selecting from the plan table. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just selecting all the required columns from the plan. Now please see, after I select all the columns from plan, what I would like to do, click on union. Why you are taking union? Click union and click over here. So why am I taking union? The purpose of union is to combine. Link plan to union. Once you link plan to union, expand plan. Here you see, you can only see selected columns of the plan at the source. Now click on actual. Repeat the same step for actual as well. Click find, or no need find. So I can just hit that Bucharest. Where is Bucharest? Customer, material. Click find VV010, actual gross, and plan gross. So I'm selecting all the required columns from the actual. Now, same thing whatever I've done for plan, I did for actual. And now link actual to the union. And click union. What are we doing inside the union? Combine. Why to combine? I would like to see the variance. Why you would like to see the variance or the difference? To see the difference of plan minus actual. It gives a variance. So unless and until I don't have them in a single table, how can I calculate variance? So that is the reason I brought these measures into one single place inside the union. Nothing but I'm trying to combine. Now here, please see, I'll drag and drop Bucharest, link Bucharest, just try to combine. K and DNR, drag and drop, link K and DNR, hedge dat, this is nothing but date, let us link date, drag and drop ARTNR, link ARTNR, material, and then drag and drop VV010 and VV01001, VV070 and VV07001. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to add columns to the target wherein I can combine data. I'm just trying to combine data and get to the target. So now let us link. Now please see, now you got to the target. Company code from both actual and plan, customer from both actual and plan, actual gross, plan gross, actual gross, plan gross, actual sales reductions, plan sales reductions. Okay, now I'll link union to the star join. I'm just trying to link union to the star join. So click on the star join. Now please see. Finally, what you can see, the output of the union, you got to the star join. Output of the union, you got to the star join. Now where are we? Now what is this screen? This screen is nothing but we're inside the star joins. Please see. I'll select the star join. We're inside the star join. Now, now what we're going to do, let us close everything. Let me minimize. Just let us close everything over here. Just even close this. And just we are trying to focus on the star join. Now let us try to arrange them. Now please see here. I'll link company code to the company code, customer to customer, material to material, date to date. You see, it's so easy. Just understanding the requirement and then just trying to create as per the requirement. Now once you do this, select actual gross, plan gross, actual sales deductions, plan sales deductions. Now let us open this. Now once you open this, can you see here in the output, at the calculation views, you can see the company code, customer, material, time, measures. Here I'm going to create a calculated column. What is calculated column? A calculated column is a column you can derive new columns based on existing columns. A calculated column is a column you can derive new columns based on existing columns. Now what I would like to do, I would like to right click on the calculated column, click new calculated column, and let us give the name difference, give the label, provide the data type as decimal, length is 15, scale is 3, column type as a measure. So I'm just trying to calculate the difference. How do we calculate the difference? It's a very simple formula. Just a simple mathematical formula, A minus B is equal to C. Expand the columns, double click on VV010 minus VV01001. A minus B is equal to C. Nothing but the difference. So, where is this VV01? From which table are you getting this VV010? From CE1. From which table are you getting this VV070? From CE2. How did we get into one single calculated column? I combine this inside the union. Inside the union, what we have done? We bought these measures from two different tables into one single output by using the union. And then I'm trying to create a new column based on the existing columns and click OK. Now once this is done, what is the next step? Now click on auto layout. Now click on the semantics, click on validate, and click on save and activate. Now once this is done, click data preview, click on data preview, click on data preview. Now please see, drag and drop view caras, view text. Just I would like to, now here you can see view caras and view text, company code ID and company code text. I'll just drag and drop the view caras into filters area. Select view caras 1000. Now what I would like to see, let's take the year column, drag and drop the year column only for the company code Germany for different years. I'll just drag and drop the year column over here and select any year, and then let us drag and drop quarter. Let us scroll to the bottom. Let us drag and drop VV010 and let us drag and drop VV01, VV010001, and let us drag and drop the difference. So here you can see Here you can see, I think for this you don't have the plan. So what I'll do is I'll take for some other year. On wait, let me take for some other year. I'm not sure for which data it has plan. This I'm trying to check. Okay, here. For 1997, for the company code BU text, this is the year, this is the actual gross, this is the plan gross, and this is the difference. So now you're trying to see, now let's say for this company code, you would like to see customers. Then what you'll do, just drag and drop the customer, just drag and drop the name under the company code BU text. So here you can see for this customer, so here you can see the different customers. So here you can see for one customer called Baker, you can see this is the plan gross and this is the actual gross. Now suppose say for this customer, you would like to see the materials. Let us drag and drop the material. So here you can see for company code 1000 for the which is Germany, the name of the customer purchased these materials in which year, and what is the actual gross. You would like to see what is the day on which he did the purchase. Just drag and drop. So here you can see the day. So according to the business requirement, so what I'm trying to do, I created a dimension for company code. I created a dimension for customer. I created a dimension for material. I created a dimension for time. Now you see, I'm accessing this from company code. I'm accessing this from customer. I'm accessing this for material. I'm accessing this for time. And this is the actual gross from projection. Now you see the data model over here. Double click on the data model. Company code, customer, material, time. I'm accessing VV010. I'm accessing the VV010, which is actual gross. Click on the semantics. And here you can see this. Okay, participants, just let me show you what are all the assignments that are involved. So if I go to the Dropbox, so like this tomorrow, I'll show you other set of materials in the assignments where participants can practice. So if you go to the calculation views in the assignments, you can see here, first assignment, customer, company code, material, time, star join. If you double click on this, each assignment, whatever I'm doing, whatever I did in the session, you can find the same thing step by step. You can find the same thing in step-by-step process. Click on the projection, click on the join, click on the plus icon, add tables. In the join, KNA1 T005T, link these tables. So same procedure. Okay, participants. So tomorrow, I'll show you some more assignments, how participants can practice from the Dropbox. So just in 2 to 3 sessions, I'll show you how you can practice on these assignments. Tomorrow the session is at the same time at 10 p.m. IST. Okay, participants. So in the real working environment, these are the scenarios that we will do based on the business requirement. Thank you for all the participants to attend today's session. I'll see you in tomorrow. Good morning and good night. So tomorrow I'll show you the similar kind of assignment that you can do for attribute views, analytic views. A very good morning and good night. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.